Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing extremely well. In this video, we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches. So make sure to watch the complete video. But before proceeding further to the video, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then guys do consider subscribing my channel. It will motivate me to create more such content for you. And make sure to join our Telegram community as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. So here comes our first opportunity, that is from Amrut Software. Amrut Software Private Limited. They are hiring software engineer, trainee software engineer. Job location is Pan India. Salary will be 4 LPA. Qualification you need is BE, BTech, BSc, BCA, MCA, MSc. Specialization is there computer science and information technology. 21 as well as 22 batches eligible. You need 65 percentage and above. Certification any Java and Python certification would be an added advantage for you. Here they have provided the quick description regarding the company. Job location here they have clearly mentioned that would be Pune. Work mode would be work from office. Employment type is permanent. Salary is 4 LPA. Other benefits also they have specified here. Service agreement. So there is a service agreement as well for 3 years. Qualification is there. Specialization we already discussed all this part. Also you need percentage 65% and above, graduation last semester, certification is there. Coming to the interview round, so you have to do the registration first, then there will be an assessment, then technical round interview, then HR interview, then selection, and then onboarding process. Coming to the candidate that they are looking for, so you need excellent academic record, good command in programming knowledge, programming language Java and scripting language, having knowledge in Java and Python, excellent database knowledge, good understanding of programming concepts and objective oriented programming, should possess good logical and analytical skills, keen to explore and learn new technologies, good communication skills. The candidate will be working mainly on Atlassian tools and other products which are ASP.NET line of products. So if you are interested in this opportunity, or if you know someone for whom this opportunity can be helpful, then make sure to share with them as well, and you do also apply if you are interested. The link for applying is given in the description itself. Here is our next opportunity, that is from Scalar. So Scalar is hiring for teaching assistant profile. So we are building Scalar with a core mission of helping students unlock their true potential so that they could land the better tech jobs they actually deserve. Why become a TA? So there's the advantage that they have provided: growth, network, personalization, extra income. So that would be ranging from earn 25k to 75k. So that would be 75k per month based on your student's performance, right? That would be ranging. So they have specified. First step is you have to apply. Your profile will be reviewed, right? If your profile matches our criteria, we will give you a call to discuss further steps, and then you have to teach. Okay, so this is how it is. They have mentioned the course curriculum as well. So if you are ready to join as a teaching assistant, you have to provide all your details here. Here comes our next opportunity, that is from New Star. They are hiring for the profile of software engineering intern. This opportunity is for 22 as well as 23 batch. So let's explore about this. The intern is a data and technology enthusiast who is able to quickly grasp new concepts, eager to learn from seniors and others, and able to convert that learning to realizing new capabilities, platforms, products, and services. The intern in this role will work in big data technologies. Skills and experience you need: so basic expertise in core Java or any other programming language, knowledge in SQL queries and database concepts, familiarity with Linux, theoretical knowledge of internet protocols, HTTP, relational databases, and multi-threading, self-directed with demonstrated problem-solving skills, good written and oral communication skills, a proactive rather than reactive mindset, right? So if you are interested in this opportunity, then make sure to apply for the same. The location is Bangalore for this particular position. Here is the last opportunity for this video. So this is from Continental. This is a freshers hackathon for 2022 batch. Here you can read more about the company, about Technical Center India. So you can read about this. Let's discuss about the challenge format now. So we are looking for engineering graduates from the 22 batch with a major in CSE, ECE, EEE, electronics and instrumentation, IT with 70% plus throughout their academic record. Challenge format, so there will be 2 programming questions, 10 MCQs. Eligibility criteria, so 2022 batch is eligible. Only students from the current batch of BE BTech 7th or 8th semester can apply. 10th, you need 7.4 CGPA or 70% and above. 12th, you need 7.4 CGPA or 70% and above. Engineering till 6th semester, BE BTech specialization they have specified, so electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, computer science, information technology, right? So if you are interested in this opportunity and if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then do apply. Position, open position, graduate engineer trainee. So you need good programming skills, good analytical and problem solving skills, strong communication skills. Work location will be Bangalore and compensation, so CTC 6 lakhs per annum plus benefits. Service commitment of 3 years is also needed for this opportunity. So these were some of the opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If it is so, then make sure to subscribe my channel. Do like this video. Do share the video, that is most important, with your friends, those who are looking for opportunities. So thank you so much for watching everyone. Bye bye.